Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DocuSign eSignature requests from Salesforce deals step by step clearly. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales app or the app where your deals are managed. Open the deal record for which you want to send a DocuSign eSignature request. Locate the DocuSign eSignature section, typically found on the Related tab or a Custom tab. If this is your first time using DocuSign, you may need to configure the DocuSign app settings. Click on the DocuSign button or link within the deal record. Select the option to create a new envelope. A new screen will appear prompting you to add documents. Upload the document that requires signatures. Once uploaded, click on the document to configure signing fields. Drag and drop signature fields onto the document where signatures are required. Add recipient information, including their name and email address. Set each recipient's signing order if multiple signatures are needed. Review the envelope details to ensure all information is correct. Click the Send button to transmit the e-signature request. You will receive a notification confirming that the envelope has been sent. The recipients will now receive an email prompting them to review and sign the document. Monitor the status of your e-signature request from the deal record. Once all parties have signed, you will receive a final notification. The signed document will be automatically attached to the deal record for your reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.